Hey there, curl friends! I've got some super exciting news, which is our multi-award-winning heatless curling headband is now in the FabFitFun Spring box. And we are so excited, and to spread the love, we have a special coupon code just for you. It's RobeCurls20, and it'll give you 20% off of your first box at fabfitfun.com. So, for those of you who are new to FabFitFun, imagine a box filled with the season's best, absolute best in beauty, fashion, fitness, and more delivered right to your doorstep. You can think of it as like your cool older sister that I never had but always wanted, providing you like the full-size products from amazing brands like Ouai, Fenty Beauty, Living Proof, Tarte Cosmetics, Kate Spade, and more. And this season, they've included us, RobeCurls. But wait, there's more. Beyond offering just a product, we are offering FabFitFun members an experience like we do with all of our curl friends. You get to sign up for a free one-on-one heatless curl class with our curling experts. Now, let me just give you a little backstory about us at RobeCurls. We are the original creators of the innovative heatless curling headband. Like when we launched, there was literally no one else in the market. Now times have changed, but being selected by FabFitFun is a testament to us not just being the first to market, but the very best in the market. This collaboration with FabFitFun, which is going to mark our second collaboration, is super special to us. It's our largest order to date with a vendor, which is just so cool to think. And they have more than 2 million subscribers. It literally blows our mind. And knowing FabFitFun's knack for handpicking the most coveted items, the best of the best, and being included in that is just a huge honor. Plus, we value FabFitFun's charitability. At RobeCurls, we're committed to more than just hair. We're a contributing member of 1% for the planet, and we truly value our alignment with FabFitFun's dedication to charitability. Each season, they partner with charitable organizations, raising money and awareness for causes like the Special Olympics, No Kid Hungry, and many more. So when you choose this season's FabFitFun box, not only are you getting amazing products, including our curling headband, but you're also supporting a network of empowerment and change. And that's beauty with a purpose. I can't wait for all to experience the magic of our heatless curling headband and everything else that FabFitFun has to offer this season. Don't forget, use the code RobeCurls20, all caps, for a fabulous discount. And thank you again so much for being a part of our journey at RobeCurls.